Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen is unresponsive in corner in Samsung Galaxy A54. If you're using Galaxy A54 and you're facing the issue that your touchscreen is unresponsive from corners of your screen like these corners, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So these are probably happen that when your phone's sensitivity is low or your touch sensitivity is low, or it also might be a software glitch, or sometimes it might happen that when your phone is lagging, so you might feel that your corners are not working. So let's try the some possible fixes. The very first thing I recommend, you just have to simply go ahead to your settings, scroll down, go to software update, and click on check for updates. Make sure that you're connected to internet. You check for the pending software updates here. And once you updated your software, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go ahead to display here. In display, just scroll down and you just have to make sure that your touch sensitivity is enabled. If you might see this disabled, so you can enable this. It can increase your touch sensitivity. You can also enable this accidental touch protection for better progress here. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed issue, so I recommend you have to clean your complete screen or your display with a clean soft cotton cloth. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed in this step. If it's still not fixed your issue, so it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by making a forced restart. Now for this you have to press and hold your volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold your volume down and the power button, and you have to wait for almost 15 seconds. In 15 seconds, the very first you might see a black screen of your phone. The screen goes completely black, and then you'll see a Samsung logo here. Just wait for a few seconds. And once you get the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. It will make a force restart your phone to fix software glitches. So it might take more than usual. So you just have to wait for a few seconds here. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and then you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, you have to go ahead to settings here, and in settings just scroll down, go to device care, look for device care here, and just scroll down, look for diagnostics, click on it. Here you might see phone diagnostics, just wait for a few loadings here and click on phone diagnostics, and here you might have to wait for a few seconds there. It will completely check anything of your phone, so your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. If you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that your phone is damaged from any edge or from any corner, so I recommend you have to repair them, or you can also try to change your complete display to prevent this issue for a long time. So you might not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.